Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pumpkin spice inspired look, so I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So for foundation, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution foundation. I absolutely love it. It makes my skin a very flawless and very airbrush. I definitely love and recommend this foundation. It's very good. Next, I'm going to go into the ColourPop and Disney collaboration palettes. Absolutely love this palette. It's so gorgeous and so pigment. So I'm just going to take the nice coppery orangey shade and I'm just going to blend that into the crease. And I'm just going to blend it until I get it to the shade that I want it. And everything blend out so nice. I absolutely love this palette. If you haven't picked it up, I definitely recommend picking it up because it's just very good. Next, I'm going to go into the Profusion Sultry palette and I'm going to pick up this orangey shade and I'm just going to blend that in to the shade that I did with the ColourPop. I'm just going to blend them both together just to make a beautiful like burnt orange shade. I absolutely love how this look came out. It just came out so pretty and so perfect. Next, I'm going to go back into the ColourPop palette and I'm going to use this beautiful gold shade. It is so pigment, guys. I just swatched it one time on my finger and it just came out so vibrant. I definitely recommend using these shadows with the finger because it just comes out more vibrant that way. I mean, I think with the brush it comes out a little, I can't say like a little bit sparkly. So I definitely recommend with your finger. It comes out very beautiful like that. Then I go back into the Profusion palette and just pick up the orangey shade and blend everything out together. Next is concealer. I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. Love this concealer. It's so pretty and such a full coverage concealer. Definitely love it. I'm still trying it out. I'm trying to see if I still like recommend it for you guys. I'm still trying it out, but I do love it so far. So yeah, that's a plus. Then I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty powder and I got this in banana pudding, I think. And I absolutely love this powder, guys. This powder is so good. It does have a scent to it. It kind of gets a little bit annoying, but the smell goes away after a few minutes and you don't even smell it, but the smell of the powder is very strong. So if you are sensitive to smell, I don't think you're going to like this powder. So we're going to go back into the ColourPop palette and just do the under eye and just connect everything together so it looks more seamless, of course. So next we're going to go in and bronze up the skin. I'm going to be using the Tarte Park Avenue palette. Love this palette, guys. This has been my go-to palette. Absolutely love it. I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a nice contour palette or bronzy palette. This is very good. Then I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush. I'm going to be using the Burt's Bees Toasted Cinnamon. Of course, I had to use this blush because it just gives you that beautiful orangey shade. Oh my god, I love that blush. It's just like my absolute favorite. And then I go in with the Essence Banana Powder and I use this just to clean up my bronzer and to highlight under the eyes. So next we're going to go into highlights. One of my favorite parts of doing my home makeup is absolutely highlighting the face. And I'm going to be using the Essence Glow Palette. And this is in Sun-Kissed Glow. I will leave the exact name down below. But this palette is so beautiful. I absolutely recommend it if you love that beautiful Sun-Kissed Glow. This is the palette for you. So I'm going to go ahead and go with with the lips, and this is the Makeup Revolution lip lacquer, I think the name is, and I don't know the exact name, but I will leave it down below so you guys can check it out. And this is the finished completed look. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, my loves. Mwah.